Hello, welcome to Close to My Heart. I am here to talk to you about our latest special. I'm Monica, and we have an awesome special. We love, of course, scrapbooking and card making, but also paper crafting. That's right, you heard me right. We love to craft with paper and wood, and we have a beautiful special right now called Deck the Halls. Woo! Let's see what we're going to deck our halls with. Let's go ahead and take a look. We have these wood, beautiful ornaments you can see right here. So many different styles that there's three styles actually you can see, and you have fun things that you can put on top of them. These are made here in Pleasant Grove, Utah. They come unassembled. You decorate them the way you want and then assemble them. And there's so many options. I can't even, like, let's just kind of like group these out, right? So you can kind of see some of the options within each of these sets. So you've got like this cute little light bulb, Christmas light bulb, right? And you can see lots of beautiful glitter combinations. You've also got some paperboard combinations, black paperboard, silver glitter, red glitter, green glitter, gold glitter, so many things. And then of course, just the wood look as well. So here are just some varieties of that light bulb. And now let's bring in that beautiful like filigree heart, right? Like, or not heart, but filigree design. You can see right here, just a classic Christmas size. You can hang these on your tree. Look at that. You could make them into a like gift tag. You can write on the back of it. You can see the wood back here. And then you can see that some of these are double layered because they come with the backing. You can choose to use or not use with it. And then you have this piece that you can thread some thread through or some string that comes separately, but as part of that packet. So, oh, here's another one I've got. Oh, look at this. I'm seeing more and more as I look up. Lots of variety, lots of options. What a fun and easy craft to create and a great gift. This would be an awesome neighbor gift even. Here's this one with that star in the middle. I personally love this one. It's my favorite style. And you can see lots, again, lots and lots of variety. So let's go over to the bigger camera here. We're going to go look at overhead and we can see you can purchase these individuals. So you could purchase like just this set here. And it does come with what we call an SVG, which is a digital file. So for cutting systems like Cricut, you can then upload the SVG and then cut out whatever you want to match whatever your decor and style is. Now, that's so awesome to have it, and you can use that to cover these up. But look how beautiful they look just in that wood grain finish there. We also have, here's this one I was showing you. You can see that wood there. And then we also have this bulb here. You can see the bulb, so great with the backing on it, and you can see those fun little toppers right there. So this is what I'm pulling out from this bundle is the all you can have bundle, right? These are all the options. You get 30% off when you buy it all together, but you can certainly buy them individually as well. Here we have like what you can get. So you can, because we do provide the SVG, but we also know a lot of people don't have cutting systems or don't have the time to do the cutting. They could purchase these separately. So here is the striped ornaments, and this one is the black paperboard. So awesome. You can see right here. These just pop out so easy, and then you can use these to cover up. I'm going to pop this one out so you can see, and then pop this one out, and then this is what you use to cover your ornament. So let's take a look and see what's inside of here. Here's that striped one. Here's the back. You can see how you can sandwich something. You can put something inside. So you see you've got these. Actually, let me go under the close-up so you can see. Maybe you can see a little better of the details here. So you can see here is the solid piece. And then you can mix and match your layering. You can add this onto this solid piece and then do this wood piece, and then you've got that wood backing. Isn't that so beautiful? Or if you just want it to be clear like that with no backing, oops, well, that looks cool too. You can do it that way as well. And then it's wood on one side and the black paperboard on another. So many options. And then you, of course, even have a piece to cover that little topper as well. So that's just an example of a striped one. So you've got the black, you've also got the scarlet glitter paper, and it's just the same thing. You can have the middle part And then you can mix and match. Seriously, like, well, how many combos can you come up with on this one? So here's this one. Let's do that again. Let's bring in the solid piece, put that over the solid piece of wood. Then we put the black over that, and look at that. It looks so elegant. So you can mix and match and do so many different variations and combinations. So that's the red. Here is the pine glitter, which is a beautiful soft green. And you can see, again, you get all those pieces. So you even have the topper, the solid piece, and the striped piece. Here is the silver glitter. So great. Here is the gold. And here is the craft. So if you just want to do a craft looking piece, and again, you can mix and match all of that. And you get it in all of the different styles, you guys. Look at the variety. I mean, seriously, so many possibilities. This one is a no-brainer, so much fun. What a great craft to do with your family as you're getting ready for the holidays. You can do them as tags. You can put them on your tree. You can put them throughout your house, on garland, on your fireplace. I mean, seriously, so many options. All right, so that is Deck the Halls. That's what we have to offer. You can see this is the big bundle that comes with everything. Or you can purchase them individually and then buy these pieces individually based on your style and your decor. Or just buy these and cut your own with the digital file, the SVG. So that is it. You can find all of this information on your Close to My Heart website or your Maker's Close to My Heart website. Under promotions, click on Deck the Halls and you'll see all of the combos there. So many. And of course, the best deal of all is buying it all together in one bundle at 30% off, which is a great deal. So we can't wait to see how you deck the halls, everybody. So exciting. All right. Thanks so much for watching.